So I've got my little running gear hay wagon done. Got it decked yesterday and got new tires on it. I finally got the steering angles working out right so that it steers better. I had it out in that front hole and it seemed to steer too fast. Still need to refurbish the front wheels. Not too bad, but they put some new tires on it, and whoever had that 155 that it came off of, they had welded the washers on rather than put cotter pins in. I'm not sure why you'd do that, but I guess new dust caps for the rear. So yeah, it's two front ends from a 155. Rear end is locked, pinned to the back up halfway up the frame to the steering rod. And the front is connected to the steering wheel to the linkage I made on the front. It's all decked in hemlock, so it should be last a decent amount. Got my old engine on it, so I'm bringing it home to the farm and putting it in storage so I can use it there. Now I could tow the engine around at a parade or an event or something. So I like it because it's like a scale hay wagon for the little case tractors.